The procedure how you're going to wash your system. Take water in a mug, put a little shampoo, make some foam. You have to hold your systems like that and just clean it the way the technician is doing. Now you rinse the system. After cleaning the system with the shampoo and after rinsing it properly with the running water, again repeat the action. Now you have to condition your system. Take some conditioner in the mug. Make a lather. Dip your systems in that, the way it has been done in the video. Take out the excess water. Put it like this on the towel. And you have to dry the systems the way it has been done in the video. Without shuffling the hair, without tangling them again. Just you have to press and take out the excess water. Watch the video carefully. See how it has been done. And now you have to put tape on it, the way it has been done in the video. Cut the tape into small pieces. And see how he is applying it on the systems. The size of the tape should not be more than 2 inches. Now your systems is ready. Your systems. This is the way you're going to hold. The tape is going to come in the front. You have to take 4 fingers on your forehead. The gap should be of 4 fingers. Then put the tape in front. See the way he's putting his systems back on his head. After opening the clips, then clip it like this from your back and from both the sides. The system is on your head now. Comb it the way you want to keep your hairstyle as. It is as simple as it has been shown in the video. Done.